Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Alicia, and I am currently pursuing certified cloud computing with AI from JetBeam. So, today I am here to give you a brief explanation on the topic role of service desk engineer. So, can we start?
Yes. No.
Okay. So the service desk engineer. So I will explain you first what is a service desk engineer. So it is a IT support professional. Basically, it is a technical expert who helps to solve computer problems and ensures smooth running of technology. So they are the first contact persons where the users contact whenever there are an issue comes related to computer. So they solve problem. They are the problem solver. So next. Uh, if we talk about the key roles and responsibilities of a service desk engineer, first is user support. They answer and respond to the calls that the company got from the clients, and they respond their mails and they provide technical assistance. Second is the problem resolution. They identify the problem and then they troubleshoot hardware and software and remotely, and they escalate the complex problems to the higher authorities. So next is system maintenance. They are responsible for maintaining the system and monitor system performance. And also they install software updates and they maintain a proper documentation. Next. So if we talk about the core skills which are required to become service desk engineer, the first is communication skills. As we all know, communication skills are very much important. For example, active listening. You must listen actively, and you have must be clear in your explanation so that the client whatever their issue is, and you should properly document whatever the issue is coming and everything. So next is problem solving. You must have ability to think a problem analytically and critically, and then identify the root cause of the problem and provide creative solutions and decision making and implement the solution that you get. So next is technical foundation. You must have a technical foundation, means you must have technical knowledge and deeply know about hardware problems, troubleshooting, software installations, diagnostic and all. Okay, next. So if we talk about the importance of a service desk engineer in an organization, so it contributes a lot to a business or a organization because it minimizes the downtime. It reduces the downtime so that the business or the organization is protected from the major losses, and as it quickly resolves the problem, and it helps to run the business smoothly. Second is user productivity. They help employees to work efficiently and do not stop due to the tech interruptions. And the third one is cost saving. They save the company from huge losses or huge technical failures, and they reduces IT support cost. Next. So if next is the careers growth and the scope of the service desk engineer. So first you are hired as entry level, where you will be giving the basic support on tickets and leading the fundamentals, and you are working as help desk technicians. Second is senior engineer, where you are solving complex problems and you are mentoring your juniors and working specialization areas. And the third one is management. Here you lead the team and manages the strategy, planning, and now we will talk about the salary overview of service desk engineer. The entry level, it is 2.5 to 4.5 lakh, and you need the basic skills like basic troubleshooting and customer service and calling, and that's all. And at the mid level, the salary is 4.5 to 7.5 lakhs per annum. So here you need advanced technical skills and different certifications, for example AWS, etc. And the fourth one is senior level. Here you need at least 5 years experience, and the salary range is 7.5 to 11 lakhs. Here you need a leadership qualities, specialization, expertise. And the last one is team lead or manager. Here the salary ranges is 11 lakh to 18 lakhs, and here you need management qualities, leadership qualities, and strategic managing. So thank you. If you have questions.
स्पीड ज्यादा है